Hey class, so this week we read the book called Pie in the Sky, and it is a story about a little girl and her dad's favorite food is cherry pie. He was very excited when they moved into their new house because there was a cherry tree, and he knew that give that tree a year or so and they would have cherries to make pie. What I want you to do this week after reading that book or listening to that book, I want you to think of your favorite foods. I would like you to research with your family where that product comes from and what the process it goes through to end up on your table. So I did that with almonds. I got on and I did some research about almonds, and I found out that my favorite almonds actually come from California, and that bees are extremely important to almond making process. In fact, almond farmers pay bee farmers to bring their bees on semi trucks to come and pollinate the almond trees so that almonds can grow. So that was something that was kind of cool that I learned about almonds, and I'm excited to find out what you learn about the foods that you eat. Be sure to document your findings in your journal and send me a picture of what you do.